Hello guys, so for this video, we're asked to get what is the value of log 5 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 3. So, makikita natin base 2 at saka base 3 yan, hindi base 10. So, we will answer this one or susulat muna din natin siya log 5 base 2 plus log 5 base 3. So, ano daw yung value? So, pag ganyan, isusulat natin siya na magiging base 10. So, magiging log 5 base 10 over log of 2 base 10. So, makikita niyo 2 at saka 5. Itong isa, same din. Log 5 base 10 over ito, log of 3 base 10. So, if you will use your calculator, kung hindi nyo alam yung mga ganyan, may yung log 2 at saka log 3, you can use log 10. Ganyan lang yung pagkasulat. So, if you will use your calculator, the answer here is 3.79.